If you ever make up your mind to stare the devil in the face, make sure don't blink first.
How dare you! How dare you!
This is not a time to swear and do nothing. You have to do something. Because we cannot be oddly disgraced like this. I don't know what this man has given to you. I don't know what is wrong. Whatever you are trying to do now is totally wrong. The man standing here is your uncle, for goodness sake. You can't have anything to do with him.
When a viper's eyes are locked on a Puri, only the Almighty can save the Puri from becoming food to him.
I will not be intimidated by such grass talk.
This devil standing before you right here and now will kill. He will destroy, he will devour, he will massacre an entire generation.
You are more or less a slave, and a slave who wants to stay alive. Don't argue with his master.
The people of our community must not see that this boy came here, humiliated you, and they still see him leave. It will be a very big insult. You go home and let me be in peace.
Peace? You call what they have reduced you to peace? What manner of peace is that?
Uncle Oguchi and Chineye are making it unbearable for me. I don't even know what to do. You know, sometimes I try to muster courage to fight back, even when they physically assault me. I say to myself that I would definitely fight back, but at the end, I go back on my knees begging them. I am asking you, do you have a problem with that? Do you?
No one stresses a goody the way you did and get away unpunished.
Who is this frustrated cow? You ungrateful slave. Just keep your mouth shut. Shut up! Hey!